Welcome to the Targeted HR Consulting YouTube channel, where we share practical tips, hiring advice, leadership strategies, and HR insights to help your business grow. Subscribe and follow along as we help you build a better workforce.
There's a silent killer of profits in construction and manufacturing, one that doesn't crack pipes or stop machines. It's employee turnover. And if you're not actively working to reduce it, your margins are bleeding quietly and constantly. Replacing just one skilled worker can cost your business up to 150% of their annual salary. That includes way more than recruiting costs. It's lost productivity, onboarding time, and even safety risks. In fact, OSHA reports new hires are 3 times more likely to get injured. In construction, we often hear, he left for 50 cents more an hour. But most of the time, it's not about money. It's about leadership, purpose, and feeling like they belong. So how do you fix it? Here are 5 proven strategies we help our clients use to reduce turnover without overhauling the whole company. Field leaders know who will succeed. Involving foremen in hiring increases success rates by up to 30%. We help build interview tools that evaluate more than just skill. We look for crew and culture fit. A good first day makes a lasting impression. Done right, onboarding boosts retention by 82% and productivity by 70%. Our onboarding systems are fast, field-friendly, and actually make new hires feel part of the team from day one. 94% of employees say they'd stay longer if they saw career growth. Even simple steps like laborer to operator, operator to crew lead can make a big difference. We build clear, real-world career ladders that are easy to explain and even easier to follow. Succession planning isn't just a future problem. It's a critical business strategy that needs immediate attention. Construction companies that take a proactive approach will enjoy higher employee retention, smoother leadership transitions, and greater long-term stability. Targeted HR consulting can help your company develop a comprehensive succession strategy tailored to your unique business. 57% of people leave because of their manager. That means your frontline leadership matters more than pay. We train foremen and superintendents to coach, communicate, and lead crews that stick around. Exit interviews are too late. Stay interviews help you catch problems before someone walks. A simple 10-minute check-in can reduce turnover by 40%. We show you how to make them easy and effective. Turnover might seem like a cost of doing business, but it's not inevitable. Even cutting turnover by 10% can boost productivity, morale, and safety. And best of all, these changes don't require massive budgets. They just need intention and support.
Don't forget to subscribe for more expert insights on hiring, compliance, and workforce strategy. And if you're a business owner or hiring manager ready for real solutions, reach out today at info@targeted-hr.com or 8013017770. Building your workforce, targeting your success.